Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Okay, so I'm going to start the video with the daily analysis today. Now, first of all, okay, let's see like what happened today. Today the market, okay, basically yesterday we discussed, let the inside candle break out wherever it happens and we'll just trade in that direction. Okay, so the inside candle broke on the downside. This basically means you have to sell calls, okay? And we told you puts we are going to hold until this 48,200 level breaks. Now that 48,200 never broke, and the calls we kept rolling down because the inside candle lows were taken out. Okay, that was the only logic which we did. It was a fairly extremely simple expiry day, and if you don't know this logic, you may write it down. Okay, so now which levels are important for us? First level I'm marking is 48,250. So on the downside, 48,250 for us, it's a good support. On the upside, this level of 49,600 is a resistance. Okay, so why is 49,600 a resistance? Anytime market touches that level, market comes down. It touched that level, it came down. Okay, so this is R, this is another R. So 2 times market has taken resistance there. Automatically, this means that the next time market breaks out on the upside, this breakout can sustain properly. Okay, so we need a good daily candle closing above 49,600 for this resistance to turn into a support. Okay, if market breaks out of this level, then this resistance will be turned into a support. Now the market is coming down. There is only one level for us which we want the market to reverse from, that is this level 48,200. We've been telling you that throughout the week. Okay, now additionally, what I've been speaking about this 48,200 level, since this used to be a resistance, now I'm expecting it to be a support. So whenever market comes there, do not forget any reversal which happens, which can either be market can come down, it can make a W pattern and go up, or the market can come down, it can consolidate and then go up. Okay, in both these scenarios, we have to play bullish. So don't forget that. So our long-term stance currently is still buy on dip. Okay, so the dip is very near now. So below 48,200, we have to be cautious. Yeah, so below 48,200, if the market starts to go, then most probably we'll be wrong. And we need to see then what we'll do. We'll take it on a day-to-day basis. So we'll update the next week's analysis on like Saturday. Now for tomorrow, what can we do? Let's look at the 15-minute chart. Now the next immediate resistance for us is going to be the last 2 days, like this, not today's candle, the last 2 days candle. Their lows are at the same place. Okay, now this was a support. Market used to take a support here. Okay, and it came down. So the next time market will come here, there can be some small resistance near 48.50. Okay, so 48.50, let the market consolidate here and then let it give a breakout. We'll trade that breakout if the market goes on the upside. Cool. And I told you, okay, so tomorrow is Nifty expiry also. So just as a warning, try to avoid Nifty expiry, because first of all, you know, Bank Nifty today's expiry was very easy, and consecutive easy expiries don't happen that frequently. So the probability of a Nifty move coming tomorrow becomes higher because today was easier. Okay, so like Nikita, I have marked the levels for you. This is the immediate resistance on the upside, 49,050. And on the downside, we'll be treating 48,200 level as the support. Cool, so that was for Bank Nifty. Now, if there's a big gap down, okay, what are we going to do? If there's a big gap down, wait for the first 15 minutes, or even better, wait for the first 30 minutes. Cool. So trade the break of that range then if a gap happens. And if the market opens flattish and is trading inside this range of 48,250 on the downside to 49,000, this becomes a strangle zone for us again. Okay, in this area we cannot be taking directional trades unless it's a reversal near 48,200. Otherwise we can't play direction. Okay, here. So in this zone, remember to play non-directional. Above 49,050 you have to play bullish, and below 49,200 level we'll play bearish. Okay, let's move on to Nifty. Now Nifty, okay, Nifty basically this was a resistance for us. Okay, now we thought it would turn into a support, but it doesn't look like it's taken support there, and it's closed below that level. Okay, so now what we are going to try to do, we don't want the market to go above today's high. Okay, so 22,825. If the market goes above that, then we'll regain our bullish stance. Okay, because the market is coming down, it looks like it's broken a support. So the selling started from 22,825. So above that, if the market goes, we'll regain our bullish stance and then prepare for a new all-time high in Nifty. Until then, it seems like a sideways kind of a thing. Okay, so the immediate resistance is going to be 22,900 level, this level for you. Okay, so if the market goes there, we are expecting some resistance. Okay, and then if it makes another higher high after that, then we can go long. And on the downside, 22,580 looks like the next support. And just keep in mind that Nifty is consolidating in a small range today. There can be some movement tomorrow. So keep a watch out on the Nifty expiry. वैसे premiums were damn good there in Nifty expiry. But just don't try to lose tomorrow, because if you do lose tomorrow, then you will feel really bad about it. Okay, so play sideways in Nifty in this zone. And above 22,900 and 920 levels, you can play long again in Nifty. And your first indication of that will come above today's high. Cool, I think there's not much to add. Don't pay too much focus on support and resistance now for the next 3-4 days at least. You know, we are just sharing what we think. But the most important thing right now is risk management. So don't take too much risk, especially just before the elections. Next week elections are there. If you lose just before the elections, you'll have that regret, okay, that you knew an event was coming and then you lost. I don't want that regret personally. So even if I let go of the opportunity, I am happy and I'm fine with it. Okay, so that was it for this video for me. I'll see you very soon. Thank you so much. And as yesterday, whatever we discussed this inside bar breakdown. Okay, this has worked. Okay, and everything we discussed in the weekly analysis also, the 48,200 and below puts, they've gone to zero. So all the aggressive people, they won. Okay, all the mediocre risk also won, and on the conservative traders also won. Cool. So this is basically very accurate analysis. This has not gone wrong. So if you do appreciate our work, you may hit the like button and support us. Okay, we'll be coming out with cooler videos for you as well. Oh, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.